Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margarita from My Lifestyle Journals. This is another blog and it will be about quick house cleaning, cooking, and my son's summer routine. So this will be all together, will be something that I'm going to do because the guests are coming and I am really stressed that how I will manage this in a very short time to clean the whole house and cooking. And also I'm going to share what routine I'm doing with my kid in summer because there's no routine in summer because they don't have school. So instead of watching Roblox or playing Roblox whole day long, um, I do not appreciate that. So I give my son like 1 hour and then take a break and do something else. So he really needs something that is routine or structured, so then he knows what's the expectation, then I do not have to tell him again and again. So that's why I made something um, like a point rewards, something like that for him. So he knows if he colored 2 pages, he will get 2 points. If he find 2 pages of finding objects, then he gets another 2 point. And if he plays soccer outside for 30 minutes, he will get 3 points. And if he helps around the house for chores, he will get more points, like 3 points, something like that. So uh, and at the end of the day it will be collecting 10 points each day. So I gave him, like, if you can go for whole month 30 days, if you can collect at least 250 points, which for 10 days, for 10 points he will get 300 points. But some days there will be not much time for summer breaks. Maybe we will have different activities, maybe we will have vacation going outside, he will not get chance to do all those things. So then that's why I gave him, you do not have to have 300 points for each day collecting 10 points. You can have at least 250 points, so he has a room. If he can make more than 250 points, that's another level. So I gave him, I'm going to give him 250 points at least if you can manage doing those things that listed in his chart. And then at the end, if he can collect those points, I told him you will get a gift from Walmart, um, around $20 to $40. It's not too expensive. He can choose one or two gifts around those budget. So he is excited. He is doing his job. He is happy about it. So yeah, this is how I am giving him a routine and also adding some other things around the um, summer vacation time. So yeah, this will be my blog. So let me know in the comment what summer routine you are doing for your kid and what special cooking you are doing, and also when the guests come, how you manage those stress. So I am really stressed for those things, like when the guests are coming, how to manage in very short time, what should be done, what should not, what I can keep for later. So yeah, I will love to read your comments, and if you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and share with your friends or family, those who like to see this kind of video. So yeah, let's begin. Oh my goodness, this is so embarrassing to show you this mess. School just finished and I did not get much time to start tidying up the sunroom, and this is the way that we go from outside, and it is always so messy. And the sitting room also, there is so many area that need attention and needs to sweep the floor, mop the floor, and wherever I have carpet, I have to vacuum, and the play area, Ruben's toys I have to tidy up, and this shoe area also needs to tidy up. And I'm going to start from this shoe area where this shoe needs to be arranged. I was thinking to buy a different rack for daily use shoe, but because the way of the entrance way is very small, so no furniture will be useful in this area. So that's why always I have seen our shoes are on the floor, because we have very small shoe rack area and the closet, because it has jacket and everyone's shoe. We are 5 in our family, so we have outdoor shoes, indoor shoes, and boots for winter, because now it's summer, so there is winter shoes also around here, and summer shoes like slippers, flip-flop, and rain boots, sneakers. So all this I need to start tidying up here. After that I will move on to other room for sunroom and bedroom. So let's start, let's complete this job.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
son is also helping me to tidy up the house, cleaning up his toys and all the wires that he loves to play with. He is tidying up. He is self-motivated and he loves to work around the house. So also he knows his job, what he needs to do, what points he has to collect for the day. So he is doing by himself, and also collecting the points. So I'm very happy about him.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you'll always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Yours, where's the drawer? Oh, 1 point.
This is the chart that Ruben is working with, and I have the list in the right side, so I put this on the fridge, so he's following the points from here. Curry is going on. There is a fish fry, and this is eggplant potato. So this curry is cooking here, and then I put this fried fish on this curry, and here is eggplant fry going on. Yummy food. Cheers! Ruben is having his lunch. He's having good food, rice and drumstick fried, and baked also. So he is enjoying that. So this will be end of my video. So I have done all the cleaning and cooking, so I'm ready for guests to come. I'm so happy that you watched this video. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe and share with your friends and family, and let me know what you do when guests coming, how you manage your stress. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.